It's my 2006 Ducati 749 S model. You can tell it is the S model because of the steering stabilizer the S models have it on them. This actually has a Penske clicker, $1,295 shock. So that's better than what stock comes with, obviously. Here we have our carbon fiber rear hugger and chain guard, aftermarket rear sets, stock exhaust. We have a sergeant seat, carbon fiber exhaust guard. The clutch cover is open, but I do have it. I have the stock clutch cover and a gold Rizoma clutch plate with black clutch spring caps. It's pretty cool. You have the Puig wing screen here. This bike is very clean. These are aftermarket fairings. They're not stock, but I did design these fairings after the Superleggera model of the Ducati. You know, the $65,000 one. It kind of looks like the early model Desmos Adichis too. But I do have the stock fairings, OEM fairings also. On the OEM fairings, there's a little bit of rash right here and some rash right there. They're the only two pieces I even replaced. But the mirrors are stock, the tank is stock, everything else is stock. There's the frame, it has integrity. I just had the belts changed, oil changed, tires remounted and rebalanced. Turn this on here so you see the dash light up. See, that's the S model over in the bottom left hand corner. 3,091 miles. And we'll go ahead and make sure this is not in gear. It is in gear. Ooh. There it goes, back in neutral, and let's give this a start. This piece is from a track fairing. I have the piece right here, and I also have the OEM one, if you're interested in that. I redid the clip-ons, grips, levers, reservoir caps. Okay, so it's a pretty cool bike. Let me know if you're interested. $7,000 takes this. I'll give you OEM fairings. I will give you the Rizoma clutch cover. I think I have the stock seat also. 5 keys. What else do I have? All types of manuals. And that's really it. Pick it up.